Hello, thanks for taking the time to watch this video clip about our sports cages. In this clip, I'll explain the various benefits of our Citybox. Icelander has already produced high quality stainless steel playground and sports equipment for public areas for the past 20 years. Take our Citybox for example. This is a transparent, low noise, vandal resistant and durable stainless steel sports cage which can be customised to fit into every environment. Street football has always been popular and is becoming more so every day. Just kicking the ball about a little or really being fanatic with some friends, that's when it's really nice to have a sports cage in the neighbourhood so that the ball stays within the boundaries of the fencing, except this fencing might obstruct the view. To avoid this, Icelander has developed a unique stainless steel sports cage. By using thin cables and bars, the cage looks transparent and doesn't obstruct the lines of sight and the character of the neighbourhood. The unique design of these cables has even more benefits. I'll tell you more about that next time. When the concept of a new residential area, city square or park is elaborated and a sports cage is fitted into the plan, then we adapt our Citybox specifically for the design. After all, we can customise our stainless steel sports cage exactly how the designer wants it to look, its shape, size and colour, and installed on your specified type of surface. Our engineers then translate these specifications into a Citybox that matches perfectly with the design. In most sports cages, the noise of the ball thumping and rattling against the fencing is made worse by the reverberations of the materials. That's annoying for the neighbours. We've listened to what users, neighbours and local authorities want and have developed a low noise Citybox. Our Citybox is made with special cables which absorb the energy of the ball and passes that energy onto the rest of the structure, which reduces the noise as much as possible. Sports equipment in public spaces that is spoiled by vandals with graffiti often tends to be a nightmare for local authorities, residents and users. The neighbourhood looks dilapidated, kids can no longer play sports, the sports playground soon becomes a hangout and it often means high costs for the owners. The transparent Citybox design is difficult to vandalise because the cables are too thin and vandals can't climb them because they're vertical, and there's also no surface big enough for graffiti. The cables are extremely strong and too flexible to break. More and more local authorities and owners of public spaces have to cut back on maintenance costs. We at Icelander have kept account of this in our design. Each cable in our sports cage is handmade and of high quality. In the event that a cable breaks, it can easily be replaced on site without having to dismantle the entire structure. A Citybox needs very little maintenance. It's made of stainless steel and it will take years before you need to do anything. The Citybox is a high quality product. Icelander installations are of high quality and have a long lifespan because we use a combination of durable stainless steel and a thorough production process. We regularly test our products to ensure that they stay that way and to make improvements. We test the cables with a pneumatic hammer connected to a computer and timer, which simulates the speed and weight of a ball striking the cables. Through extensive testing, we ensure that all cables that leave our factory will last for many, many years. Our products are durable and we also operate as a sustainable business. Our engineers only develop products that can be recycled and dismantled. The benefit of this is that all material is recyclable and parts can be replaced on site. This saves in time and money instead of replacing the entire installation. In its production process, we also reuse as much recycled stainless steel as possible. This leads to energy savings and a reduced carbon footprint. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know more in the meantime, then click here or contact us and we'd be happy to answer all your questions.